to another video. You are watching justaclick.com, and today we are going to talk about a variant that is HBook Z. HP's ZBook series की बात करें, if we talk about HP series out there and ZBook, then this is a really amazing variant out here, mostly used by the corporate world out there. And when we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has also the same specifications, few specifications which are seen in HP ZBook 14. Intel V Pro technology, Windows operating system, TPM security chip system of 1.2 could be seen out in this variant. So there are few things which are still same which were in ZBook 14 out there. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can see that they both work on the same Intel Core versions out there. Yes, you can find that Intel Core i7 fourth generation version could be seen out in this variant. But since it is using the same variant, does it offer the same speed? No, definitely not. It offers you a max turbo speed of 3.7 gigahertz. Along with that, a clock speed of 2.7 gigahertz. So you get to have a clock speed of 2.7 gigahertz and a maximum turbo speed of 3.7 gigahertz, which are actually different from the previous version of ZBook 14. Talking about this variant, we can see that it offers you a quad core processor. Yes, this is not a dual core, this is a quad core processor with L3 cache type memory. Now there has been a good processing system by Intel. So what kind of chip system does it use? It uses mobile Intel QM87 Express out here. Yes, mobile Intel QM87 Express is being used out here. Along with that, it also offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology. Intel Turbo Boost technology 2 is being used. This is not the 5, let me remind you. Intel Turbo Boost 5 is used in ZBook 14, whereas this gadget 15 uses Intel Turbo Boost technology 2. So there is a change out in this variation also. Since we are talking about their upgradations, everything, so let us talk about the Intel's, or we can talk about the ZBook's cache memory. Talking about the cache memory, then it has L3 type cache memory along with the installed size of 6 GB. You get to have 6 GB installed size, which is definitely good variation out there. But what does this cache memory and RAM memory also all about? If we talk about the RAM, then there is a difference in the RAM memory also. You get to see that the RAM memory has doubled itself. You get to see that it is 16 GB installed RAM with a configuration of 8 GB in 2 slots. Like there are 2 slots for RAM and each slot uses 8 GB. So we can say 2 into 8 is equal to 16 GB. So there is an installed RAM of 16 GB with a speed, that is the rated memory speed or the memory speed we can say. This is 1600 megahertz. 1600 megahertz speed could be seen out here, so you get to see really amazing variations. Now talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that it offers you DDR3L RAM type, which is definitely a good variation. DDR3L RAM type is definitely one of the variations which is still used out. There are 4 slots out there who have been already inbuilt or has been dedicated to the inbuilt storage or the inbuilt RAM, whereas the other 2 empty slots are for the other stored gadgets out there. So you get to have a maximum support size of 32 GB. Yes, you get to have 32 GB installed, or we can say maximum support size of the RAM. The maximum RAM out there is 32 GB. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this type of variant offers you a good environmental factor working. You get to have a good environmental working out there along with optical drive technology. Yes, you get to have optical drive technology that can be used for removal trays. You can easily uh, uh, put your documents or everything in the CD form. We can say that. Apart from that, the SSD cache memory is 32 GB, which is in the form of mSATA out there. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that the display also plays an important role. Talking about the display, then we can say that it has got a display which is LED backlight display, along with a widescreen and a full HD display with ultra wide viewing and anti-glance technology, plus panel resolution, self resolution, or refresh rate. So what is this? This clearly means that the gadget here uses full HD resolution. Ultra wide view angle is there, and you also get to see that it is anti glance version. Plus, it has a self refreshing rate. Yes, it can refresh itself. So full HD display is there. Everything is really amazing. With a screen size of 39.6 centimeter. We have seen that ZBook uses IPS technology, but yes, this might not use IPS technology, but that is also okay. Talking about this variant, we can say that graphical processor used out here is the NVIDIA out there with Quadro. NVIDIA Quadro graphical processor is used for video system. There is a different processor out there, the optimized out there. NVIDIA Optimus is used for video support system. So there is a difference out there in this version also, so that you get to have a good variation, a good functional gadget out there. You get to have integrated webcam with a capturing resolution of 1280 into 720. These could be seen out in this variant with stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones. But all these things does not define the hard drive storage. Hard drive needs to be very strong out there. Talking about the hard drive, then it offers you 750 GB internal hard drive storage in the form of HDD. HDD, if it is in this format, then you get to have a spindle speed, which defines the output processing of other things, and you get to have 7200 RPM speed. RPM is the spindle speed or rotation per minute, and it offers you 7200. So we can see that this is a really amazing version out there. The keyboard out here, pointing stick, touchpad out there, offering you spill resistance, volume control, gesture controls out there, along with Bluetooth connectivity, wireless connectivity, everything could be seen out in this variant. As well as you get to have audio input output jack, USB connectors, USB drives, SD card readers, memory card readers, multi-card readers out there, power jack out there. These all things could also be seen in this variant. Apart from that, you get to have a good battery life of approximately 15 hours because it offers you 83-volt battery, which is 8-cell lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery is offered out here, which is 8 cells. So this is quite a heavy variant out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us visit out this site. Talking about the site, this is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you a great range of products, great range of gadgets in a pocket-friendly rates. As well as this site offers you customizability option. You can customize your products and you can get your favorite products in your pocket-friendly rates. So let us search this gadget, that is HP Book 15. So this is the result for our search, HP ZBook, which can be customized. You can customize it accordingly. Small description at the top, small description at the bottom, and you get to see that there is a refurbished condition written in the mid. So let us talk about this refurbished condition so that we know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products are nothing else but gadgets which are absolutely newly like. We can say they are brand new like, or when we say the term refurbished, then we can say that, or we can define it as creating something newly like. Yes, we can say that, creating something newly like. Now when we say refurbished and brand new, what does this refurbished and brand new all means about? Refurbished and brand new, they are nothing different. The only difference lies out in the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Once a gadget is pre-owned, then it reduces its market value. So that is what pre-ownization means. Otherwise, it is absolutely same. It is actually same in the structure, same in design, functionality, testing, output, everything is same. Now, reducing the market price does not mean that it does not have the value. It has the same value in it, but the pricing might differ. Yes, the pricing might differ out there. Now, talking about refurbished and brand new products, let us talk about the pathway. How is it pre-owned? Talking about the pathways, we can say that there is a base. Yes, we have a base, we have a mediator, we have a consumer. Then the brand new happens to be in the format like there's a company which launches the gadget, that is brand new gadget out there in the market. Then comes the marketplace. Then comes the user. Yes, now the company is there. This is the base. It is going to launch its gadget, that is the brand new gadget. Is now having a marketplace, a place where the gadget is displayed for the users to buy. Now it is ready to be sold off. Now it is sold to the users. Now this gadget is owned by the user. This is the power, or this is called owning of a gadget. In refurbished condition, what happens? The user is becoming the base. Yes, the user becomes the base, and now is having the pre-owned gadget. That is the pre-ownization, we can say, pre-owned gadget, and wants to resell that. What happens? It is brought in the marketplace. It is sold out to the marketplace out here, to various sites out there. It is sold off. Now, after selling off, it is again resold to the new users under the category of refurbished or certified refurbished. So these are the two categories out there. Talking about the categories out there, how it is defined? It is defined on the basis of testers. Company before launching it into the market tests it on various sites. There are various sites for testing a gadget. But when a gadget is pre-owned, then that particular site which is reselling it has to test it, verify it, then it has to be resold. Now, what does this all testing is all about? Talking about the testing parameters, they are absolutely same, just like the we can say brand new. They are absolutely same. You will find that brand new and refurbished gadgets have the same parameters. Now, these parameters include nothing else but the external and internal factors. What are these internal and external factors? These are nothing else. External factors are like uh, the display, the design, the heaviness, that is the weight, the buttons intactness, jacks out there, ports out there, connectivity, display types, scratches, functionality of each button, each function, the command centers out there, like if we know the shortcuts, whether they are working properly or not. So everything which has to be checked out, we can say in a way which is like they are working properly or not as the company has stated them. This has to be the external parameters. These parameters do not require any kind of robots, any kind of softwares. These are not required for that. They are tested by through eyes or simple gadgets, whichever they are. Now, when we talk about these external parameters, they have cross external. Now, what happens to the internal parameters? Now, they are coming to the internal factors, which are the processing, chip systems, speed, RAM, spindle speed, hard drive storage type, graphical processing, web camera out here, audio quality, video quality, resolution, everything. So what happens is these has to be tested with the specified gadgets or equipment, or we can say specified softwares out there. Now, when once it is checked out, the connectivity, everything has to be checked. Once it is checked out, they are certified as certified refurbished products or refurbished. Both are safe. But what will happen if it fails in any of the parameters? What happens to it? If it fails in any of the parameters, or if it can be replaced, if the gadget, the screen is not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Buttons are not working properly, then it has to be replaced. Everything which can be replaced or renewed can be done within this period. Once the gadget is absolutely newly like, then you get to have a good quality product, good services given by this. So it is absolutely good for the market to reuse. Now it is brought on the working side and is done out there so that it can be easily sold off. Now it is sold off to the new users under the category of refurbished. But why we are talking about refurbished products? Talking about refurbished products, we can say there are few benefits. Number one, pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, refurbished products offers you pocket friendly rates. As we know, brand new products usually have slightly high range, or we can say they are slightly expensive, whereas refurbished products, they are quite pocket friendly rating out there. As well as you get to see that it offers you a great savings. Now how it saves, because there is a difference in the pricing, you get to save a good amount of savings. Yes, there's a difference in savings, there is a difference in pricing, there's difference, so you get to save a good amount. Now we know that brand new products offers you 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, does this offers you any kind of warranty period? Yes, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Refurbished products offers you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7 days exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy, pocket friendly rate, savings. So what else do we need? Because refurbished products offers you the same product, the same gadget with all the specifications under your favorite pocketable rates. Now let us visit out the website once again so that we know about the gadgets once again. Talking about the gadgets, we are at justatclick.com. Yes, we were talking about justatclick.com. This site offers you great range of products, great range of gadgets from reputed brands under your pocketable rates. They are under your pocket friendly rates. So what else do we need? Apart from that, it offers you customizability option. You can customize your gadget accordingly. Now, how we can customize? If the company is offering you a variation in the RAM type, US storage type, processing, graphical, whatever the company is offering you, we can have that customization option here also. Whereas you, for more details, you can definitely check out the website. Apart from that, it offers you COD. Since it's an online shopping site, it is a hassle-free shopping out there. COD is there. You also get to see that it offers you a good range of things like free shipping, that is free home delivery. Now, if you talk about the delivery timing, then it might take according to your customization option, obviously. But apart from that, it takes approximately 48 hours in UAE, mostly parts, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week. Money back guarantee, that is the 7 exchange policy out here with online support system. You get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rate. So visit out the website for best pricing. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Description has the link so you can visit out the website link. And you can go on Google and type justatclick.com.